Hey, are you searching for good quality gadgets? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these gadgets. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion about which gadget is the best and much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Number 1. MicroMini Magnetic Levitating Globe with LED Light. The magnetic force from the frame's bottom and top levitates the globe. The frame's 3 LED beads display purple, pink, and cyan. Outstanding centerpiece. Levitating globes, almost no air friction. Drive the globe by hand for 15-25 minutes. Cool desk decor or bookshelf decor. Fun to talk about. Great gifts for partners, kids, colleagues, and employers. Perfect birthday gifts for guys, personalized Christmas gifts, anniversary gifts, Valentine's Day gifts, and Father's Day gifts. It's a humorous men's present. Globe diameter 3.5 inches divided by 9 centimeters. Easy to handle with one hand. Turn on the C-shaped frame, squat, and make sure your sight line matches the frame opening. After several tries, follow the user's instructions. Number 2. SHIBO Shaped Shifting Box. The award-winning Shishibo fidget box can change into over 70 forms thanks to its 36 rare earth magnets. Fits in the palm and thrills the senses. Shaping the box. The Shishibo's tear-proof surface, superior injection mold plastic, and 36 rare earth magnets make it the best. Each magnetic puzzle features 4 stunning patterns of vibrant, interesting artwork. Connect. Our strong internal magnet technology lets you combine many magnetic cubes to construct even larger structures and sculptures for the ultimate magnetic brain teaser and fidget toy. 3D art from all 12 designs. Transformational gift STEAM and STEM presents for all ages are our fidget magnet cubes. Every click comes our form-shifting puzzle box. For longer deadly structures, choose our gift box set of 4. Fun and motion toys makes creative, physical, and mental toys. Priority is you. Number 3. Carson MicroMini 20x LED Lighted Pocket Microscope. The MicroMini is an extremely lightweight, portable, and compact design pocket microscope with an LED light that is easy to use. It also has a keychain attachment that provides 20x magnification. A built-in standalone UV and LED flashlight are included in the field microscope. In addition, there is another built-in LED light that can be used together with the microscope. Excellent educational field microscope for multiple hobbies, tasks, learning, and exploration. Perfect microscope for children, students, and professional use. Includes a focusing knob that is very smooth to operate. 1.5 inches tall, 1.0 inch wide, and 1.6 inches deep. It operates on 3 G12 button cell batteries. Color choices include orange, blue, and green. Number 4. Percussion Muscle Massage Gun for Athletes. A single charge for the massage gun's 3300 mAh lithium battery allows for 8 to 15 hours of massage use. Comes with a USB charging cord that works with all charging ports. Muscle massage gun with 12 massage heads and 7 speed settings, suited for various body needs. Efficiently relieves back, neck, arm, and leg aches. Deep tissue massage gun efficiently stops slippage and makes it simple to hold. The percussive massager will automatically shut off after 10 minutes of continuous use, protecting your health and effectively preserving battery life. With a massager gun, you may unwind in the office, gym, or while traveling because the noise level is less than 40 dB. Lightweight percussion massager with a carrying case and instructions. This is a wonderful choice if you're choosing presents for men, women, or as a Christmas or New Year's present. Number 5. Tripod lamp-shaped decorative lights. Initially astounding in comparison to my current diffuser and candle wax melter, it improved the scent of my room more quickly and for a longer period of time. My dorm room had an incredible scent in less than 3 minutes. The life of the product is significantly reduced by the oils. Along with the essential oils and other components, the product adequately lit up and provided a lovely shift to my room's humidity. For the price, I believe it is worthwhile. Just make sure you don't put anything else in it than water. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mention each product link. Thanks for watching this video.